What have we here? Funky flora growing. Good afternoon, I am Nancy, the nature girl. And we have something very unique here. I will let you know what it is in the description, but isn't that cool? So eerie looking, huh? It's in bloom, whatever it is. It's got berries, different colors, stages of growth. I'm walking upon it and thought, oh, well, I've never seen anything like it. Look what you see when you go for a nature walk. I am Nancy the nature girl. Get out in it and enjoy the funkiness of nature.